Friends, this is Dr. Sudhi Sharma with today's video, which is kind of second part of a Hindi video, how to convince parents to accept the career of your choice. Before I proceed further, just a reminder that another simple quote is there at the end of this video. Listen to it and enjoy its fragrance the whole day. Here is the summary from previous videos of the conflict and confrontation that is going on between the businessman father and his teenager son. The father wants the son to join commerce stream in 11th class and later on do BCom and MBA. The son, on the other hand, is a very good guitar player and wants to have his career in the field of music. He had told his father that if pressurized by him, he would do everything to become a successful robot businessman. On the other hand, if his father gave him his blessings for a career in music, then he would be a happy man doing what he is passionate about in his life. The father knows that his son is very intelligent and hardworking. He wants him to be a happy and successful man in his life, but he is not convinced that music field is the right choice of career for his son. He doesn't think highly of this field. He is not sure that during the struggle phase, the son will not lose his current zest and enthusiasm for music. The next 2 years especially are very crucial for his son education wise. He wants him to take up commerce stream and work very hard for next 2 years and be eligible for admission in a renowned college of their choice. The father is a man under tremendous emotional pressure to take the right decision at this point for two reasons. Firstly, he wants to ensure a happy, secure future for his son. Secondly, he does not want to destroy the harmony and trust in their relationship by appearing dictatorial and insensitive to his son. The introductory video of this channel was shared with him by his sister. The negative emotions upsetting a person can be dealt with effectively by an action that has to be initiated today itself. This approach appealed to him immediately. He sprang into action from the very next day to find out answers to some questions that were arising in his mind repeatedly. He met many people that day, and wherever possible, he put questions like, "What did you dream of becoming as a teenager?" Or, "Are you getting reasonable satisfaction and happiness from the job that you are doing for your bread and butter?" Or, "Out of future security or passion for doing something in life, which should be given more weightage in deciding the career for your children?" He got a variety of answers for such questions. He stayed awake late into the night, weighing and evaluating what his friends, relatives, colleagues, neighbors, and employees have said as answers. Next morning, after breakfast, he addressed his son in the presence of his wife in a very thoughtful manner. "Right in the beginning, I want to tell you, son, that I will never force my choice on you where your career is concerned. At the same time, I cannot ignore my responsibility to ensure a good career for you by making all my resources available to you. Let me be very frank with you. I do not like the emotional pressure you are trying to bring upon me in the name of your future happiness that will come your way if I gave my blessings for the career you have chosen. I am not at all certain of such an outcome, but I will admit that you are entitled to your views in this regard. So what I am proposing is this. When you have completed your 12th, then only you will have the freedom to choose the career you want. I will accept your decision without any objection. I am promising to help you in all the ways to enhance the career of your choice at that time. In another 2 years, you will be more mature in taking that decision. You will agree that coming 2 years are very important for you from education point of view. They are irreplaceable by any other 2 years of your life. For getting the privilege of deciding your own career all by yourself, you will have to promise me to give your best in your studies so that you do very well in 12th board exams. Please accept this proposal for the peace of mind of all three of us. Now, the question for all of you friends: will the son find the father's proposal reasonably balanced one? What should father do in case son does not accept the proposal? Please share your views in the comment section. If you find the video useful, please like and share it. Subscribe to the channel to get regular updates. Link to the introductory video of the channel is given at the end of description. And now the promised quote. Quote: problems in your life can only overtake and overwhelm you when you are not standing still to face them as they are arising. End of the quote. Thank you all very much for listening to the video.